Hello there, fellow traders. Okay, so I would like to just share this with you guys before our session. Actually, for New York session will be beginning later around 9:30 p.m. Okay, just mark that time. Okay, New York session begins at 9:30 p.m. Malaysia time. But then I believe on March 10 onwards it will start at 10:30. Okay, because it do changes from 9:30 to 10:30, and then from 10:30 it doesn't go to 11:30. It goes back to 9:30. Okay. So the thing that I want to share with you guys right now, right, is price is currently sitting in what we call a initial support range. Okay, why I call this support range? The reason being is because this level has been keeping price above it for quite some time. Bear in mind, guys, this is the H4 chart. Okay, so this is a H4 level. So this is a lot of days. All right. So if we want to count this, right, let's say from what day is this candle? Okay, so from the 3rd of February all the way up to the 24th of February, literally almost the whole month of February. Okay, this single zone has been keeping price above this level. Okay, so once price finally broke through this range, okay, then this becomes right now a resistance. Why? Is because when once a zone is called support, when that zone get violated, okay, that means price goes below the support range like it did here. This will now change to a resistance zone because now we have a zone above price, hence a roof, right? So the roof is what we call as a resistance zone. So when price comes back into the so-called roof, okay, resistance zone, this is the reason why we're starting to see a push down, okay? But I find something interesting. Okay, so I understand right now, imagine this zone here, okay, being level 1, okay? Let's say you took the elevator, okay, fine, we went to level 1, all right? This is level 1. So right now, we're going to G, okay? So every floor that we go to, okay, every level, okay, every level that we go to, we must have a floor, or otherwise we cannot stand. Okay, just use that same concept about price. Okay, we need to find a floor for where price can stand. Right now, price basically is floating. Okay, so then what interests me, right, is that when I went into the daily time frame, okay, I saw the same structure happening. Okay, what is same structure? You see, this is actually a resistance zone. Why? Because it's above price. All right. Bear in mind, this is the daily chart. Okay. So every time when price comes into this zone, price gets pushed away. Okay. I mean that's what a resistance is supposed to do, right? But all the way only up to this point. And then what happened? Price broke through. So initially this is once a resistance zone. Now it becomes a support, right? Okay. So where do we think the floor of the current level price is in could be? It could be this zone right now. Okay, so potentially we are going to be seeing price actually move towards the downside at least up to this floor level. So this floor level, let's say 73765.2. Okay, and on top of that, guys, we also have a bullish fair value gap just waiting at the same level we drew our floor at. Okay, so there are quite a few confluences telling us that you know what, price may be going to this floor because why? We were initially in level 1, we broke through that how to say support range. Okay, now we go to level G. Okay, every level we have to have a floor and a roof. We know this is the roof because price went to test it out. Now we're shooting down. Where are we going to shoot down to? Obviously the floor, which is where it's going to be the next Tesla. So we will start to see if price will start to go even lower, maybe to basement 1, okay? Or we might go back to level 1, all right? So this is why it's equally important to understand where our support and resistance are. I personally released a video on YouTube. I labeled it episode 2, okay? But if you're at it, why not you just watch episode 1, 2, and 3, okay? They are just videos really simplifying concepts, powerful concepts, by the way, like support and resistance, order blocks, liquidity, and fair value gaps. Okay, just by understanding these concepts, you literally can use them in your trading journey just today. All right. So feel free to go and watch those videos. They are all available on my YouTube page. many more to come. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a like to this video if you enjoyed this very brief, very straightforward, but very in-depth insight about what potentially is going to be happening to the market today. All right. Remember, guys. Remember that number, okay? 73,000, roughly around this number, okay? Okay, so okay, 70 this one, 73,663.1, roughly this number, okay? Just remember it. If price hits there, remember to leave a comment saying we guessed it right. All right. Thank you guys for joining into today's video. I will catch you all in the next one. Happy trading, guys.